Gongsan.
Tashitele, Depo Impe,
Depoyin.
Depoyin.
Lasso, Mayang, Depo In, Lasso. Okay. Hello, mic check 1, 2, 3. Genius. Lasso. Tamile visare, Samale visare. Okay. Ainda. Oh, Tade. Till now, we have learned this. Kare, su, kane. Hakosunga. Di kare re. Te kare re. Di kare re. Kong su re. Kerang su yin. Kerang kane yin. Hakosunga. Oh yeah. Yeah, practice in the. Sivatla in the, sivatla. Prashidele sivatla.
Tashitele.
Kerang debo imbe.
Na Depoyin.
Lasso. Kerang su yin.
Nga Nga Sivajin.
Kerang kane yin.
Nga Denmark Neyin.
Denmark ne yin. Bebo. Lasso. Did we watch? Yeah, Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Rodrigo la kerang debo imbe.
Depoyin.
Lasso. Ni kerang kane yin.
Kerang Netherlands yin.
Nga Netherlands ne yin labgurida. Hakosunga.
Netherlands yin.
Kerang kane yin. Rodrigo la kerang.
Netherlands yin.
That's it. Yeah. Marcelo la in the Marcelo la. Ngasure.
Na Marcelo yin.
Marcelo la.
No.
Ngasure.
Kerang Tenzin yin.
Nga kane re.
Kerang Pue Neyin.
Or pene re. Agosunga. Oh yeah. Yakulapso. Oh lasso. Oh yeah, that's it. Someone take it. Okay. Inda. En clair la inda. En clair la. En clair. Kongsure.
Su gegenre.
Kong gegen re. Kong
Gegenre. Kong gegenre.
Kong look truk repe.
Mare, look through mare.
Kong thane re.
Kong pöre.
Pöne re. Agosma ne.
Pönere. Kong pönere.
Kerang kane in.
Nga England nere.
Peo. England ne. Peo. Ne. Agosma ne. Rodrigo la. Ne. Yabulapso. Yen hong la inda. Yen hong la. Kong sure.
Kong lốp tru rệ.
Kong gegen repe.
Mà rệ. Kong gegen mà rệ. Kong lốp tru rệ.
Ale. Kong kane re.
Kong bối nền rệ.
콩페네. 라스. 저기도 야불랍송. 오케이.
Tenzin, what means luptruk?
Look through student.
Um,
Agosma. Hola. Tainda. Yeah. Wangmola inda, Wangmola. Wangmola par di kharere.
Party 강발에
Di kharere.
디 강발에
Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
디탕 디자당 직파마에
Peyago. Let's take some. Yeah, dharala inda, dharala. Par di kharere.
빨리 가와래, 가와래,
Kawa.
가와, 야, 가와.
Par di kharere.
빨리 가와래.
Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
리탕디 라당 직파 말해, 말해 직파래,
Dradang chikpa mare. Peyago.
말해.
Yeah, McGregor la inda. McGregor la kongni sure. Kong sure.
Kung Tru Kung Drokpare
Drokpa. A pa ratak dra naro dro ka drok pa drokpa. Drokpa ha
Drokpa.
nomad re drokpa. Ha kosunga. Kong sure.
Kung Drokpare
Kong kanere.
Kung Kung Punere
Kong pene re. Di karere. Kong sure.
Kung Rokpare
Rokpa. Ra naro ro ka sa rokpa. Rokpa. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
Titsangji Dradang Chikpamare.
That's it. Yagulapsa. Yeah, Jekla in the Jekla. Jekla par di kharere.
Di na re.
Nga re.
Na
Nga.
re.
Di kharere.
Di na re.
Nga. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
Di tang di chikpa dradang chikpa mare.
Dradang chikpa mare. Peo. Oh yeah. Takamachi gu Yeah. Yeah, and Claire la in the di lok thang di kharere. Mute redu, and Claire la mute redu.
A pa yatang sorry, ka yatang kia ka
Sa.
sa
Kyak.
kakua
Kyak pa. Pa.
kakpa
A. Ka. Yatak. Kyak. Ka. Sa. Kyak. Pa. Kyak pa.
kakpa
Kyakpa labna. Kyakpa kharere. Kyakpa ice re. Ha gosung. Kyakpa ice.
kakpa
Dilo tha. Di kharere.
Ra, ka, rat, ratak, ka, gya, ka, yatak,
Gya,
kya, gya, okay.
ka,
Gya,
sa.
ka, pa, okay.
Gya,
Kya,
pa.
okay, say again. Kya,
Ra,
pa,
thata, ga, yata, gya, ka, sa. Gyak, pa. Gyak, pa.
gya, gyakpa, gyakpa.
Gyak, pa. So I will do this revision about yatak. Okay?
What is Gyakpa?
Kare?
Is baby?
Gyakpa. It can
Fat.
be adult,
Okay.
anyone.
Okay.
Strong.
So this fat is for everybody and not for baby, for any person. Okay.
Me thangma.
Lasso.
Gyakpa.
Gyakpa.
Gyakpa. Kyakpa. Gyakpa.
Gyakpa, gyakpa.
Di dradang chikpa mare. Hagosuma.
Gyakpa mare.
Di dradang chikpa mare. Okay. So yeah, took some revision doing. Okay. So on the top we have 3 letters, right? It's sa or ra or la. Okay?
Ra, la. Yes.
So when you read this, you have to read like sa, ka, tak, ka. Like this, when you read this, okay? Sa, ka, and tak means tie together, okay? Sa and ka tie together, ka. Sa, ka, tak, ka. That's how you read it. For example, ra, ka, tak, ka. Like this. Or la, ka, tak, ka. Okay? Because this is a category, that's why the sound doesn't change. Ka or sa, ka, tak, ka. Dradang, chikpare, dradang. Pronunciation, dradang, chikpare. Hagosuma. Sa, ka, tak, ka. Ra, ka, tak, ka. La, ka, tak, ka. Okay? That's it. Oh yeah. Tade. When it's a category, then sound changes, right? It changes to 2 types, right? When it's a category, the sound changes to 2 types. It's either thinner and higher, or it's either more bass or bolder, okay, with the less air coming out. For example, the one who becomes bolder, example, ka to ga, like this, okay, ka or Sa khata ga. Like. Okay. Perna bha or sa phata ba. Like this. Or ra phata ba. Or la phata ba. How goes on? Okay. Let's try. Yeah. And la. Tini lo thang. Mute redo. Mute.
Me?
Di lo thang. Di. Can you read this?
Is it me?
Yes, yes. And clear la.
Okay. Sa rata sakatak ga.
That's it. Sa khata ga. What about this?
Ra katak ga.
That's it.
Yeah.
Super. How goes
Okay.
what about this?
Sa katak ga.
Sa khata ga. Ra khata ga.
Ga.
La khata ga. How
Okay.
goes Rodrigo la in
Ago.
Rodrigo la di khare.
Rakatak ba.
Ra phatak ba. Di khare.
La katak ba.
No. Pha la phatak ba. Why is
La
it?
patak ba. La
No.
patak ba.
No. La phatak ba. That's it. How goes on?
La.
That's how you read it. Okay. Why it became ba? Because of the top letter on the top. Okay. Otherwise, di kharire.
Ba.
Ba.
Ba mare. Pha.
Ha.
No, soft with the air coming out. Pha. How goes on?
Ha.
It changes to ba when there is letter on the top or prefix. How goes on? Okay. Rodrigo da Enla. How goes on? How to read. Now you can practice also. Okay. Ra
Okay.
khatak ba. Ra khatak ga. Like this. Now these two are just an example, the sound from soft to bolder, right? For example, kha to ga, pha to ba, like this. Okay? The ones that go higher, for example, ma, sa, matak ma, nga, ra, ngatak nga. Agosuna. Just some example. Ma, ma, nga, nga. Okay? That's it. So, for example, ra, ngatak nga, la, ngatak nga, sa, ngatak nga, dradang, chikpare, dradang, chikpare. Agosuna. Pronunciation, chikpare. So now you can add Kiku, Shapyu, Dengpo, Naro. You can practice it. Ra, ngatak nga, naro ngo. Like this. Ra, ngatak nga, kiku ngi. Ra, ngatak nga, shabkyu ngu. Like this. Hakosuma. Okay? That's how you read it. Hakosuma. Oh. So now we know there are 3 letters on the top and we know how to read them slowly. Okay? That's it. Then we have letter on the bottom also, right? We have a ratak. We learned this. Ratak, yatak. And this latak. The ratak. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. And from there, and ha category doesn't change sound. Only category doesn't. Category change, right? For example, kha ratak tra. Kha ratak tra to sa khatak ga ratak dra, like this. Tra dra tra dra. So when you read this, you have to read like sa khatak ga and ratak dra. That's how you add up. That's how you read. Okay? One by one. Sa khatak ga ratak dra. Tra dra. Tra dra. From tra to dra. Like this.
Tenzin, this is what is confusing from dra to becomes from ga to becomes dra.
So first you know this kha ratak tra, right?
Tra, yes.
So when there is a letter on the top, then the
Sa
sound becomes more bolder, okay?
sa khatak ga, and then ratak then becomes dra. So from ga to becomes dra. So this is what confuses that how come.
Because when we read it one by one, okay?
Yeah.
Actually, it's tra came dra because of the sa on the drop, okay?
Okay.
But when we read it one by one, so it sounds like sa khata ga rata dra. That's like that, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now I just want us to imitate way I read and try to not focus too deep because it will harm you from seeing a bigger picture. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
let it loose right now. Okay? That's it. It's better to imitate me right now. Okay? That's it. Kha ratak tra. Sa khatak ga ratak dra. Now you can add kigu. Sa khatak ga ratak dra kiku dri. Or shabkyu. Anything. Okay? Yeah. Practice in the yeah, Dilotang, Rodrigo la, Dilotang, yeah.
Sa katak
Ga,
ga ratak dra.
there you go. Yeah, Sivat la in the, Sivat la. Siwar la diloda.
Right. Sa kataka rataktra.
Oh yeah, think so. Okay. It's just a revision. Hakosuma and la Rodrigo la Hakosuma. Oh yeah. Oh, we have ratak. Okay. Now we have a yatak here. Ka yatak. Yes.
Which alphabets can receive Rata?
Okay, so there are only 14 letters. Right now it's not important. Okay. Just know there are just 14, 14 of Rata. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Not all alphabet gets the Rata. So okay. The number is also not
Good
important.
news.
Right now, only reading. Okay? That's it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Then we have a yatak, right? Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Okay? Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. So we know kya and kya doesn't change sound because of and ha category, right? Now this one, category, change sound, right? So kya to gya, like this. When there is a letter on the top, ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, like this. Okay? Kya to gya. Agosuma. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya. Like this. Okay? Agosuma. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, na, gen. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, la, gel. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, shakyu, yu. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, naru, gyo. Like this. So that's how you read it. Okay?
And Pencilla, can you repeat when it with the narrow the sound? I didn't get the sound.
Oh, ra, khata,
Khatak,
ga,
yeah,
yata,
yeah,
naru,
and narrow,
gyo.
gyo,
Gyo.
gyo, okay, gyo, okay, gyo, okay.
Gyo. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya,
Yeah,
gi.
narrow,
Okay?
yes.
Just like this. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya. Here simply kha, yata, kya. How goes ma? Okay? That's it. Okay. That's the how to read it. Some of us have a difficulty reading this. So today I did little bit revision. Okay? That's it. Very good. Now we will move forward. Okay? There. Ka, yata, kya, ka, sa, kyak, pa, kyak, pa, kyak, pa. Even though there is a prefix, sound didn't change because it's ha category. That's why. Okay? Kyak, pa. Kyak, pa, karere, ice re. Tade. Ra, khata, ga, yata, gya, kha, sa, gyak, pa, gyak, pa, gyak, pa, kyak, pa, gyak, pa, dradang, chikpa, mare. Agosuma. Okay? Yeah. Rodrigo Lainda, Diloda. Yeah. Diloda.
Ra katagya
Rimasung Ra Kataga.
ra kataga yatagya gata gyak gyakpa
Pa. Yakpa.
pa gyakpa.
Ako suma. Okay. Yeah. And Claire Lainda, Diloda. Mute Reduk and Claire La. Kira mute Reduk.
Okay. A, ka, yatak, ga, ka, sa, pa.
No sound change. Ka. Yata kya.
Ka,
Hasan.
yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya.
Ka.
Ka, sa, sa, pa. Sa, kyakpa.
Kyakpa. A.
Kyakpa.
Yata kya. Ka. Sa. Kyakpa. Kyakpa. Okay.
Kyakpa.
If we look at here. Okay. Here. Ka. Yata kya. Ka. Kyak. Or A. Ka. Yata kya. Ka. Sa. Kyak. Same sound. Radang chikpare. Akosuma.
Kyakpa.
Even though
Kyakpa. Hagosun. Hagosun.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Tenshela, if it sounds the same, why we have to write it long way? Why cannot we just write it with the ka, yata ka, kyak?
Yeah, very good. Because there are many same sound, different meaning. So that's why.
I see. Okay.
You have to different spelling for that.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. So right now, just learn to read them properly. Okay? That's good. Tade. Ya nga yang pa sa kataka yatakya ra kyar yang kyar ka sa shakyu su nga sung tha nga thang yang kyar sung thang. If you read them one by one, you know how to read it. When we attach together, it looks scary, but you know how to read it. Okay? Be confident, try it.
Yeah, and the problem now it is that every time I sit down to pray, now I look at the Tibetan words and start to spell it. So it takes me more longer time to pray than before because then I cannot make it out. How come it became that word?
Yeah. So I would say, just imitate me. Think of you as a Tibetan. Don't think
Yeah.
of you as your nationality. When
Right, correct. Yes.
just you think yourself as a Tibetan. That's it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ako sang.
Instead of knowing the total meaning, translation, just feel it. I'll go soon. Yangkyar sungthang. Yangkyar sungthang. Yangkyar sungthang. I'll go soon. Say this phrase. Yangkyar sungthang. Yangkyar sungthang. Yangkyar sungthang. Agosuma, say again, please, Labir. Yangkyar
Yangkir sungtang. Yangkir sungtang.
Yangkyar sungthang. Okay? Yangkyar Sungtang. Huh? Oh, hello, Rodrigo la. Kerang de po te
Yang Kyarsung Tang.
Kerang depo impe.
Ah. Yang Yang Kyarsung Tang.
Kerang depo impe. Kerang depo impe.
Depo.
Mm.
Re. Depo.
Na depo
Okay.
yin, you can say. Okay.
Ah, Depo Yin.
That's it. That's it. Yangkyar sungtang. Hagosunga. Okay. That's it. When you want me to say something again, you can ask this to me. Okay. Yangkyar sungtang. Yangkyar sungtang. Just break down slowly. Pa, sa, kataka, yatakya, ra, kyar. Hagosunga. Yang kyar sungtang. Okay?
Kyarsung Tang.
And Sila, in this young kier, in the kier, the pa has no role. It's silent.
Yeah. Even though there is a pa, the sound doesn't change because of the
Yeah, there is no change. Yeah.
category. Hagosunga.
Okay. Okay.
Because it's already high and no aspiration. Hagosunga. Okay? That's it. Di kasang hagosunga ama truku. Semchen di ki re. Di ki truk re.
Okay.
Di tom re. Di
Tom Truk.
re re. Di tom truk re.
Thum truk re. Di thum re, di thum truk
Di
re.
tak
Tak
truk.
re. Di tak truk re.
Di tak truk. Hagosunga. Okay? Di look re.
Luk re.
Di
Di luk truk re.
Yana luku. Luk truk.
Luku.
Chikpare. Hagosunga. Luk truk tang luku chikpare. Hagosunga. Okay? Okay, di hago menduk. Yeah, ta inda practice inda. Marcelo la inda, Marcelo la. The scramble sentence redwa.
Konsure.
Kong su re. That's it. Kong su re. Kong Michael Jackson re. Like this. Kong su re. Kong Rodrigo re. Like this. Okay? Yeah. Yen Hong la inda. Di.
Gegen Repe.
Gegen repe. Or Kong
Gegen Repe.
gegen repe.
What is meaning of Gigan?
Gegen labna teacher re. Gegen teacher re. Hagodna. Gegen repe. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, Rodrigo la inda.
Mare. Que kung mare.
Oh, you
No.
have this.
Mare que kung 콩레
말해. 아니, 콩,
콩 개궁
개겐,
again 마레
just like this. Okay? For example, if this is student, if I ask you,
네.
콩 개겐 레페,
마레 콩 개궁 레페
that's a question. 개겐 하고 중에 개겐 teacher, 콩 teacher 레페, 콩 개겐 레페,
마레
콩
콩
개겐
개겐
마레.
레 마레 콩 개겐 마레
Like this.
마레 콩 개겐 마레
That's it. If you listen to the question, most of the answer is in the question. You no need to think English. Okay? 콩 개겐 레페, 콩 개겐 마레, 콩 like this. Okay?
네. 오케이.
개겐 롭트룩 하고 소나 롭트룩. 야, 더디 인다. 왕몰라 인다. 왕몰라. 딜랍다. 왕몰라 유베. 할래. 야, 맥그레거 라인다.
마레
롭트룩 here pay. Or
yeah 롭트룩 마레페
there is no ma here. Mo for the female.
모 롭트룩 레페
Mo 롭트룩 레페. Just like this. 모 롭트룩 레페. 하고 소나. Okay?
아까서
모 롭트룩 레페. 야, 제클라 인다.
Mo Ray Truk Ray
Ray. Mo 롭트룩 ray. Okay? For example, yeah, 제클라 인다. 디 lakpa repe.
Ray Dilapare
Like this. Rodrigo lainda. Di mik repe.
디믹 레페
Di mik repe.
마레 디
Lakpa.
락파 레페
Lakpa re. You cannot say pe.
락-
Pe is
디-
question, right? Hakosume. Okay? For example, yeah, Rodrigo la di carere.
디사 no 디 소레
Di sore.
소레
That's it. Di mik repe.
디믹 레
Di
디소
di
디
sore.
마레 디소레
Just like that. Okay? Odi, sikbare. Whether I say Diso repe or Kong Michael Jackson repe. Like this. Kong gegen repe. Kong Ari ne repe. Kong Netherlands ne repe. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Can you hear? Oh,
Hello,
little bit net.
Tenzin, I think we're losing you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hello.
I think.
Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Less. Oh yeah. Tainda. Yeah, en clair la inda. En clair la. Kong sure.
Kung Gegenre.
Kong lob truk repe.
Luktruk Mare Gegenre.
That's it. Oh yeah. Now here we have some new word. Ming, name. Okay. Ma kikumi na ming. Pomo, gender. How goes on? Okay.
Okay.
Tene lungpa. Lungpa country. How goes on? Oh yeah. Lungpa. Okay. Lungpa. Tene pa sa tatagda ta de sa desa. Desa karere staying place. How goes on? Current living place. How goes on? The perna Ming and Claire. Pomo, Pumo, Lungpa, Europe, Desa, Paris, something like that. How goes on? Perna Ming, Rodrigo, Pomo, Pu, Lungpa, Holland, Netherlands, Desa, Amsterdam. How goes on?
What is Ming, Tenzin La?
Ming the name re. Name Tenzin, Rodrigo, Anne Claire, Seward, Ming re. How goes on?
Oh, male. Okay, male. Gender male. Okay.
Name.
Name. Okay, name. Ming is name.
Re. Ming name re.
Name. And Pomo. Pomo is what?
Pomo gender re.
Pomo is gender.
Pomo. How goes on? Pu, Pomo. Pomo. Like Pomo plus.
Okay, Pomo. Okay. Male gender. Okay.
Tade Lungpa country re. How goes on?
Paris country.
Tade Keranki Ming country. Ming. Wangmo. Pomo. For me, I would say Ming. Ming. Tenzin.
Tenzin Re.
Ming.
Tenzin Re.
Tenzin. Pomo. Pu.
Pomo Fu.
Lungpa.
Okay.
Pu.
Lungpa.
Desa
Lungpa is what? Phu.
country.
Yeah, Phu. Okay.
Hmm?
And then Desa.
Dharamsala.
Okay.
Desa Dharamsala.
Dharamsala.
Aku sunga.
This is how you spell Dharamsala. Why so short? Such a big name, Dharamsala.
Ra Thatak Da.
Dagda
Ra Ma Ram
Naram
Sa La
Sa
Dharam
Sala.
Sala. Aku
Sal.
sunga.
Okay. Okay. We will repeat it when we see the video. Okay, not now.
Last. The perna Ming Nima. Ming Nima. Pomo Pu. Lungpa. Euro. Desa. Washington. Anything. Okay. That's it. Take watch. Yeah. Siwadla. Kongsure.
Kung Michael Jackson re.
Ale Kong Kanere.
Kung America ne re.
America nere. Peo. Yeah, Rodrigo la. Kong Michael Jackson repe.
Re. Kung Michael Jackson re.
Kong Kanere.
Kung US re.
Ne. US ne re.
Me. Kung Michael Jackson re.
Hakoso. Kong Kanere. Kane.
Kane.
From where? Kane.
Kung US re.
Kong US mare. Kong Michael Jackson re. Kong US ne re. Ne. You have
Ne.
to
Re.
okay.
Have to put the ne. Ne.
If you don't put a ne, it's same as Kong Michael Jackson re. Kong US re. That is same sentence. You can see. You are saying
Yeah.
he is US. If you don't say
Yes.
how goes on?
And ne means like lives or something.
From. Okay.
From. Yeah.
You don't say he is US. You say he is from US. You say this. How goes on? Teda. We don't need to think about English in the mind. Look at the question here. Kong Kane Re.
Kung kanere.
So you just put answer same as Kong. Instead of
US.
Kane,
Ne.
you say US.
US.
Ne Re. Here. You just change the car to that country. Everything else is same. Agosuna, Kong Kane Re. Kong US ne re. Kong Brazil ne re. Kong Agosuna ne. Okay? Ne. Labudada. Oh yeah. Ainda. Ka. Ka. Agosuna. Ka. Ah, ah, ka. Tadi. Ah, nya, nya, sha, sha. Okay. Trisha, if it's a new sound, please write down. Okay.
Yeah, these are new two sounds, right?
Yes, yes.
What is this?
Oh, di, nya. Di,
Nya,
sha, sha.
nya.
Nya, sha.
Sha looks like and then add into it na.
Really, that's it.
So nya. What is nya used for?
Nya, nya.
Nya.
Hmm?
N-G-I-A. Nya.
Nya, nya.
Nya. Mm.
Okay. Nya. I don't know, it's the English word nya. Okay. Nya.
And then
Sha.
sa.
Sha.
Sha. Sha. Okay.
Hmm?
Sha.
Nya. Sha.
Not sa. Sha.
Sha. Okay. That's it. There. Di, nya, re, nya. Okay.
Fish.
Nya.
Nya is fish.
Very, nya fish.
Lasso. Fish. Okay.
Nya. Di khare re, yen hong la, di khare re.
Di, ni ma re.
Ni ma, are. Ni ma, nya,
Ni,
kiku, ni, ma, ni ma. Ako suma.
하고서 ni ma,
Ni ma.
ni
아니
ma.
세면 냐, 아, 캐르고리로 와. 하고서네, 냐, 기쿠, 니, 마, 니마. 오케이?
Can you spell? Okay, yeah, there it is.
냐, 기쿠, 니,
Kiku, ni,
마,
ma.
니마.
Nima. Nima.
니마.
Nima is sun.
왜래, 니마 산래.
Nima sunray. Okay.
냐, 기쿠, 니, 마, 니마. 하고서, 오케이? Di pho repe. Yeah, see what line that? Di pho repe.
말해. 이 야판
Japan. Konnichiwa. Di Nihon re. Nihon. Nya kiku ni. Ha. Naro ho. Nga hong. Nihon. Nihon. 냐, 기구, 니, 하, 나루,
Ha, naru,
어,
ho, nga, hong.
니홍,
Nihong. Nihong is what?
니홍, 자판레,
What is Nihong?
니홍, 자판레, 자판,
Oh, that's a name of Japan. Japan is called Nihong.
왜래?
Okay. Oh, the name of the country, Nihong.
Re.
Strange name, Nihong. Okay.
Nihon. I think Japanese people say Nihon too.
Oh,
I've heard
okay.
them say.
What about Thailand? What about Thailand? What do we say Thailand?
Thailand.
Yeah, we should know more of the people who are online, no?
Re. Thailand la ngeha komasum. Thailand re.
Thailand, only Thailand re. No word for Thailand re. Okay. Hako-masang. Hako-sang.
Oh yeah. Tade. Di Tibetan number ni re. How goes on? Ni. Ni.
Me. What is that?
Ni. True. Number two. How goes on? So
What
once
number
I
two?
say ni, I'm not saying ni. Because of a ka prefix, it became higher, okay? Ka, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. Chik, ni, chik, ni, sum, shi, na. Nung, song, sam, si, ha.
Wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Ni.
So this what ni is what? Ni is number 2.
Very song, re.
Song. Okay.
How goes on? Okay?
Hako-song.
Ni. Ni. How goes on? Okay. That's it. That's some new words today. That's all. Tene, te. Nya, na, nyen. Nya, na, nyen. Listen. Nyen.
What is that? What is that?
Nyen. Listen.
Huh?
Listen.
Listen.
Very.
To listen to something. Okay.
Nyen.
Nyen.
Nya,
Nyen.
na, nyen.
Listen.
Nyen.
Okay.
How goes on?
Nyen.
Nya, na, nyen. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now we know bunch of pronouns and nouns. Kong, ko, mo, di, te. How goes on? Okay. Tade, if we just add cha, naro, cho, it becomes plural. Okay. Di, cho, te, cho. Okay, important.
What is that new letter? Cho. Cha.
Cha, cha,
Huh?
cha.
Sa.
Cha.
Cha.
Mm.
Cha. Okay.
Cha, naro, cho.
Ha. Cha naro cho. What does it means?
Cho. So it makes everything plural. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. When you say di, this. Di cho, these.
Okay. Oh, become this. Okay.
So
nya, cho means fishes.
Cho
that's it. That's it.
means plural. Double.
Okay. You know, you already know nga for yourself, right? You say nga, then just add cha naruto becomes we nga cho. How goes nga? Okay. Nga cho.
Nacho is two of us.
We. It's two or more than two. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Not only two, but two or more. Okay.
When you say we, it's two or more. Raba.
Two. Two or more. Okay.
Hakosuma?
Hakosong.
Tade. Usually you say nga Netherlands ne yin. Nga Netherlands ne yin. If we have bunch of Netherlands, I will say nga cho Netherlands ne yin. Just like that.
The Dutch people, plural. Yeah.
Hakosuma, okay?
Hakosong.
If you are a bunch of Tibetan from Tibet, I will say nga cho
So,
ne
Fu
re.
Yin.
Nga cho ne yin or
Ne
nga
Yin
cho
or
phe
Fu
ne
Ne Re.
yin. Hakosuma,
Okay.
okay?
Hakosong. Yes.
If you want to talk about them, kong cho ne re. Kong cho gegen re. Kong cho lop truk re. Okay.
Why is there a little mark just under the naru on the tsu?
Yes.
Yeah, I was going to ask the same thing. Yeah. Thank you, Anne.
Because this is cha and this is cha, two different alphabets. Okay,
Okay.
Eh?
that's it.
Cha, and then the next one is what?
This is cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. That one.
Okay. And the next one?
Cha. Oh,
Cha.
cha. Okay.
Oh my God, I cannot. Cha. And then next one, I don't know. Okay. We'll practice. We'll practice.
Cha. Tsa.
Cha. 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 Cha.
Cha.
Cha. Cha. That's
It sounds more than sa than cha. The second one, right?
Yeah, the sa is different. That's totally
I know this is sa. Okay. But this one is what?
cha. Cha.
Cha. And it's cha. And it's cha.
Cha. Oh.
Cha.
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 Cha. Oh. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
That's the only difference between these two letters. It has this extra. Okay.
Okay.
Tenzin, are they the same category? Ha category?
Yes, yes. They both are ha category. You will understand by the dradang pronunciation. Cha, cha, ha, like this.
Okay.
Okay. So, kongcho, ngacho, dicho, techo. 하고서나, okay? For example, yeah. 라인다. McGregor 라인다. 디 카레레. Mute redo.
Ditepre.
Or dicho 카레레. dicho 카레레. dicho.
Ditepsore.
dicho tap re. You just say ditso tap re. Okay?
Dito re.
Ditso tap re.
Oh, yeah. Ditso tep re.
That's it. These are book. You don't have to use plural after the book because you already used it in the so. Before, after the D.
Okay.
Ditso karere.
Ditso
Tep
tep
re.
re.
That's it. Ditso tap re. Okay? That's it. So
Raso.
this much today. And practice reading. Okay? And yes, then don't worry. All of these come again in the lesson.
In the next classes.
Okay?
Yes.
So some of us has difficulty in reading. Go back and read it slowly. Okay? Most of us, we are okay. That's it. Ani trashi delek tujichi ni jela jeyong.
Tudeche.
부재체
Ucheche, dashi dile.
Last
Yeah.
tujichi. Last. Okay.
Thank you. See you Wednesday. สวัสดีค่ะ
Last.
Thank you.
Last.
Can
Thank you.